Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what is the role of red team and blue team in cybersecurity. Nowadays, every organization, companies, they are using digital devices, they are using technologies which are generating the data in digital format. Okay, and they are using different machines, different products, services to perform their task. Okay, where the data in digital form, that means we need to secure it, because nowadays everyone is connected to the internet, and when we are connected with the other network, that means there is a chance of any kind of cyber attack. Okay, where the cyber attack is there, that means we need cyber security to protect our valuable asset, devices and the data. Okay, now this question comes, then what is the role of the red team, and what exactly the red and the blue team? Red team is we can say are kind of hackers, but they just perform the hacking techniques with the agreement of the company. Okay, they will perform the attack on the company's network and just trying to find out what exactly vulnerabilities exist, where your security system is weak, and where you need to change the settings, or where you need to just have a look on the security mechanisms which you have placed, so that you can protect your network against such kind of cyber attacks which they can perform. Okay, so for example, this is a network of a company, and there are different security features and security settings are applied on it, and that is connected with the internet. There is a firewall where security guys, which are the blue team means they are providing the security settings, security systems for the organizations, and red team will perform the attack. Okay, so here the security settings are done by the blue team, and they are continuously analyzing the security security kind of things, whether these are performing well or not, and how to protect their assets from the cyber attack. Okay, for example, they are having the mail server which are receiving the emails, and they put also the security on email server or the mail server, and they have the web server where they hosted the website, and for example that website can be accessible by the any user who is on internet. Okay, for example, that company is also dealing with the applications, so they are storing their applications on the server, and then they also have the security on it. Okay, there are the end users which are accessing the network of the company, and they also have implemented the security, whether that's on the endpoint security or the other kind of security policies are there, they just placed to store the data which is produced by their company. They are storing in their database server. Okay, and for example, for the file transfer server is also there, where they have the FTP services. Okay, the security team implemented the security features or the security settings on the devices which were placed by the company. Okay, and the red team, they just invited the red team, or they can have the in-house red team which will perform the attack. So we can also say there is a fake drill about the attacks. Okay, so they can use pen testing tools and other hacking tools which the hackers are using to perform the cyber attacks, and they will try to find out where is the our system is weak, and what kind of vulnerability exists. Okay, so again just we will see in the same topology, here is the hacker team, that's the red team, which will perform different kind of attack. Maybe they will perform the attack on the web server. They will find out is there any weakness in the web server, or if the web server the developers are using any kind of we can say plugins, and that plugins is having some kind of vulnerability, so they can also perform an attack with the on that vulnerable plugins. And I just heard so many times about that those kind of attack which they performed on the web server. Okay, and they will also try to hack the application server. Okay, and they will perform the DOS attack, man in middle attack, or the ICMP buffer overflow, and they will also try to exfiltrate the data, valuable data of the company with the help of the DNS type of packets, and they can also attack on the data server, the SQL injection they can perform. They will just try to find out each corner. Is the security implemented in a proper way? If not, they will just find out all the evidences. Yes, there is the weakness in our system, and with the help of that tool we can perform those kind of attack, and we are succeed into that attack. Okay, so they will generate the report, and where our system is weak and where we need to check our security system. And this report which are created by the red team will very helpful for the blue team, so that they can change in their settings, and they can enhance the security systems to secure the valuable asset of the company, and can fight against the cyber attacks. Okay, so for sure I can say both the aspect are very important. Okay, without the red team effort, if we are thinking yes, whatever the security we have implemented, it's complete and then no cyber attack can happen, then this is like we can say illusion. Okay, so this team will perform attacks and will show us yes, here are the we can say chance of improvement in our security systems. Okay, and without this skill, without the hacking skill, I don't think the cyber security professional are fully equipped to understand the field of cyber security. And this is very important. Every guy, whether that's in any field of the IT, this must learn about the hacking skills, so that they can understand how the hackers are working, what type of tools they are using, so that just we can contribute to protect our company's asset and our personal devices as well. Okay, so guys, for the next sessions notification, you can follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism, and over there I will share more videos with the different information related to cybersecurity, and share those videos with your friends so that they can also learn wonderful, fantastic things about cybersecurity. And in the next session I will discuss about Federal Information Security Management Act, and it is very important, and that will be a wonderful session. So namaste, see you in the next session.